Hello, and welcome to another devlog. Last time, I created more crazy obstacles, added more froglets to rescue, and got some friends to playtest the game. But now it's time to be rid of these blue blocks once and for all, and escape this giant void of a background, and let Ribbit return to a lush, green jungle teeming with life. To achieve this, I would have to do a lot of drawing, so it was time to get my pen and my drawing pad and get to it. During this time, I wanted to build up a collage of screenshots from various films and video games to use as references, such as Ariadne, Ori and the Blind Forest, and an indie game called Tadpole Tales. So the goal is to make the environment feel large, or rather make Ribbit feel small, that even minor things like twigs or leaves can be potential obstacles for him. I also wanted to create an opening scene for the game, so I drew additional animations for Ribbit and the froglets, and wanted to add some sounds to the scene. So in turn, I started scrolling through freesounds.com for some potential jump noises. Wait a minute. I think we found it. After a while, I decided to find a placeholder, so I took the sound from Jump King so that later on I can replace it with my own jumping sound. Next, I needed frog sounds for Ribbit and the froglets. That's a frog? I soon realised that the calls from actual frogs wouldn't suit the game. It's too realistic. I need something a little bit more cartoony. So I thought I would have a go at trying my own voice work. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Brah. 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 Meep. 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 Oh, I need to do froglets as well. I guess it'd just be higher pitched. I don't know what froglet. Okay. You know what? I got some friends who have children, so I might get them to voice the froglets maybe. I managed to get some friends to help me out with the voice work, which to be honest I'm still considering as placeholders, at least until I find something I'm looking for. So I've put together all the art and sound assets and created an opening scene for the game. Well, at least a first draft. And for the people that recognise the music, I'm obviously not going to keep that there. I plan to replace it. But for now, here's the opening scene. So that's the opening scene. I have made a list of things I would like to add to it, such as a beam of sunlight hitting Ribbit, causing him to glow, maybe a glowing particle effect to create a little bit more atmosphere. I also want to adjust and refine the animations, especially when Ribbit turns towards the froglet. At the moment it kind of looks like he's hovering. If you like the look of this game, please like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas about
more obstacles or potential mechanics, please let me know in the comments section, and thank you for watching.